A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. Seoul, South Korea. In a dramatic turn of events, former President Yoon Suk Yeol of South Korea has been indicted on new criminal charges related to his controversial declaration of martial law back in December. The indictment, announced on July 19, 2025, comes as part of an ongoing investigation led by special prosecutors who are scrutinizing Yoon's actions during a tumultuous period in his presidency. Yoon, who has been embroiled in legal trouble since his impeachment, is facing serious allegations including obstruction of the exercise of others' rights through abuse of authority, ordering the deletion of official records, and blocking the execution of arrest warrants. These charges add to the existing accusations of insurrection, a crime that carries severe penalties, including life imprisonment or even the death penalty. The Special Prosecutor's Office held a briefing where they detailed the new charges against Yoon, emphasizing the gravity of the situation. The former president's martial law declaration was met with widespread criticism and protests, as many viewed it as an overreach of power during a time of political unrest. Since the appointment of the special prosecutor in June, Yoon has remained a central figure in South Korea's political landscape, with his actions and decisions under intense scrutiny. His legal team has yet to respond to the latest charges, but Yoon has consistently maintained his innocence, claiming that his actions were justified under the circumstances he faced as president. Currently, Yoon is being held at the Seoul Detention Center, having been denied bail by the courts earlier this week. His requests for release have been rejected multiple times, indicating the seriousness with which the judiciary is treating the allegations against him. The political climate in South Korea is charged as citizens await the outcome of Yoon's trial. Many are concerned about the implications of his actions on democracy and the rule of law in the country. The martial law declaration, which was intended to quell civil unrest, has instead ignited a firestorm of debate regarding the limits of executive power and the protection of civil liberties. Yoon's presidency, which began with promises of reform and stability, has now become synonymous with controversy and legal battles. The former leader's indictment marks a significant moment in South Korea's political history, as it raises questions about accountability and governance in the face of crisis. As the trial progresses, observers are keen to see how the legal proceedings will unfold and what impact they will have on South Korea's political landscape. The case against Yoon is not just about one man's fall from grace. It is emblematic of larger issues facing the nation, including the balance of power and the integrity of its democratic institutions. In the coming weeks, the court will hear more evidence and testimonies, and the public will be watching closely to see if justice will be served or if political maneuvering will overshadow the legal process. Yoon's fate hangs in the balance as South Korea grapples with the ramifications of his controversial presidency and the ongoing fight for accountability in its political system. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.